I'm Jim Dodson, the Florida Bike Guy. So why did we launch the Florida Bike Guy website? Uh, Simply because, I've been an experienced personal injury lawyer for many years. I've been an experienced cyclist for many years. And I wanted the world to know, the cycling world to know, that there is a place that they can go, you can go to get help when you need it the most. They've been involved in some type of cycling crash, from someone who's an experienced cyclist as well as a experienced and a seasoned personal injury lawyer. I know that I've been dealing with cyclists and representing cyclists for many years. We have a special passion in our office. Personally, I have a passion to help cyclists in any way I can. We help people get their bike frame replaced. I understand how difficult that can be. We do it very successfully. And we also help people walk through all of the issues involved in when they've been involved in a crash and they've been injured and a driver was at fault. I think one of the biggest reliefs that people have, not only just having someone take over the responsibility, no more phone calls, what do I say to the claims adjuster? Am I going to say the right thing, do the right thing? Something might hurt my case. Surrendering all that over to an experienced lawyer who's a cyclist. And what I hear back from our clients is how comfortable, how it means so much to them to work with a lawyer who's a cyclist who gets it, who understands them, understands the sport, understands why I'm riding on a $1,000 bike or a $15,000 bike. I understand. And, it makes a difference in the actual conduct of our work. Frankly, there's a difference between how an experienced cycling lawyer approaches and works with a client on a bike injury case than someone who's just a general personal injury lawyer who sees car accident cases day in and day out. They may see an occasional bike case. They may have no idea about bike laws or how bikes should operate, or can bikes operate on the sidewalk, and all these things that we deal with all the time, which we deal with day in and day out. And that makes a big difference, let me tell you. The other thing that I will tell you is that we have a big component in what we do in terms of safety and advocacy. If you go to our website, you'll find that we have a lot of information about bicycle safety, helmet technology, the latest things that are going on in terms of e-bikes and all of the things that are current in the biking world, how to ride safely. There's just a ton of information, insurance, how to properly insure your bicycle, or how to properly insure your automobile so that you have the right coverage to protect you in the event you're hit by a driver who has no insurance or not enough insurance to pay the entire value of your claim. And we educate cyclists on how to protect ourselves from those drivers out there. 40% of the drivers on the road, frankly, don't have enough insurance to pay your claim if you ever have one. And there's a way to protect yourself. And we educate our clients and those in the public about it. And we have information on our website about that. So we're not in this simply to earn a fee and help somebody on a cycling case. We are in this to help the cycling community. We are in the cycling community. We're active in it. And I have a passion to try to make cycling safer in Florida, as well as to do the very best that we can do to help our clients in that unexpected situation when, hopefully only a once in a lifetime event when they get hurt. Where do I turn for help, and who's going to help me? And oh my gosh, there's an experienced cyclist who's an experienced lawyer. Let me talk to this guy. It makes a huge difference to them, and we hear it time and time again. So I think that we want to be your resource. We want to be the cycling industry, the cycling world's resource in Florida, not only for injury work, but for advocacy and safety and education, and a place to go if you have questions. You'd be surprised, frankly, at the number of questions we get from people every week about different things about cycling. I talked to 2 people today just about bicycles and how to insure my bicycle and all that. So there's a world of information that we have available that we want to help the cycling community. And we wanted a place, one specific place, that cyclists could go to get that help. Now, this is a new website, and we're building it out. We'll be building it out more and more. But we want to be that resource. And when the chips are down, and you've been injured and you need that person to turn to, I hope you'll give us the opportunity to us tell you what we can do to help you and how we can convey our passion for cycling to help you in that moment of need. I'm Jim Dodson, the Florida Bike Guy. Be safe out there.